Hello everyone. So today I will show you how you can increase your internet speed within your system or within your desktop. Okay. So at first you will be like there is a shortcut button. By using keyboard you can just select Windows button and select X. Together you will press it and then this pop-up text will come, or you can simply do you can select these and then device manager. You will go to device manager. After that you will go to network adapters. You will select it, then you can go to Intel dual band wireless, like this is the name of my router, so you will select this. After that you will go to advanced, then you will go to preferred band, like which type of bandwidth or which type of band you will be using. So in default they will be using no preference, so you will select the highest preference, like here it's saying that preference goes to 5GH, like 5G hertz band, so you will select this. Okay, so after that you will restart your desktop or you start your computer. After that the internet speed will be comparatively higher than before. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, or if you like the channel, then please do the subscribe button, click the subscribe button and like the video, and follow the channel for more and more updates on latest technology or new lectures regarding computer science. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.